Materials properties. Anything in our world is made of different materials. For example, this window is made of glass. Glass is suitable for making window because glass is transparent material. You can see behind it or the light can pass through it. Opposite meaning of transparent is opaque. Like wood. Wood is an opaque material because the light does not pass through it and you cannot see through it. Another property, waterproof. Some materials are waterproof materials. Waterproof, it means the water does not pass through it or it does not soak up the water. Like, for example, plastic, and metal are waterproof materials. Opposite meaning of waterproof is absorbent. Absorbent material soaks up water and let the water to pass through them, like cotton, like paper. Another property, strong and weak. Strong material, it's difficult to break it. Weak material it's easy to break it. Strong materials like metal, like wood, and weak materials like, for example, glass. It's easy to break it. And for example, paper. It's easy to cut it. Flexible material like fabric, fabric is a flexible material because it's easy to bend. Opposite meaning of flexible is rigid. Rigid like metal. Rigid means difficult to bend it. Hard and soft materials. Hard materials, it doesn't mean strong materials. Hard means it's difficult to scratch, like the diamond and glass. Glass is weak material because it can break it easily. You can break it easily, and also it's a hard material because it's so difficult to scratch it. But stone, for example, it's soft material because you can scratch it, and after scratching it will give a powder, and it's strong material because it's hard to break it into two half. We are going to identify some properties of different materials. Let's start with paper. Do you think it's flexible? We can bend it easily, so it's flexible. Do you think it's transparent? Of course not. It's not transparent. It's opaque because we cannot see behind it. Do you think it's water absorbent? It will suck up the water. Yes, it's water absorbent. Do you think it floats in water? Is it strong? Of course not. It's not strong because you can cut it easily. Let's identify the properties of another material like metal. Is it flexible? No, it's rigid. Do you think it's a transparent material? Can you see behind the metal? Of course not. Does it absorb water or it's a waterproof material? Do you think it's a strong material? Let's try to break it. Yes, it's strong. What about glass? Is it flexible? No, it's rigid. Is it transparent? Yes, we can see behind it. And it's a waterproof material because the water cannot pass through it. and of course it doesn't float on water. So materials can be hard. It means it's so difficult to or so hard to scratch it, like glass. Or soft, it means so easy to scratch it. Materials can be strong or weak. Strong, it's difficult or can break it easily. Weak means you can break it easily. Weak materials like, for example, glass, strong materials like iron. Strong doesn't equal hard. And weak doesn't equal soft. Glass, hard material, because you can't scratch its surface easily, but also glass is a weak glass is a weak material. Strong materials like metal, for example, steel or iron, both are metals and both are strong materials, and also they are hard materials because it's so difficult to scratch their surface. Soft materials, soft again, soft means it's easy to scratch its surface. Soft materials like chalk. Chalk you can scratch its surface easily, and this is give a powder. Let's arrange this object to know which one will blocks light. It means opaque materials, and which one is transparent materials. It doesn't let the light to pass through. Start with mirror. Mirror is an opaque object because the light does not pass through. This cup made of glass, a clear glass, so it's a transparent material. This bowl, of course, opaque. This trouser, opaque. Newspaper, opaque. Plastic bottle, yes, transparent. And this window, yes, transparent. Paper sheet, opaque. Pair of glasses, transparent. And this object is an opaque. Let's check. Yes, yes, the light passes through the glass. The light does not pass through the mirror. Yes. Yes, the light passed through the plastic bottle. Yes, I think we arranged them correctly. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to solve this worksheet.